Hey everyone, Tony G here. So, I have been in hiatus because my father here has not really been taking care of himself, has some complications. So, we are reteaching him how to walk. Let's focus on this, okay? Now, usually after a surgery, when you're coming out of the hospital, you're like, how do I use this thing? You're worried about the cane. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to normalize my father's step here. So, as you're going forward, you want to bring the cane, strike to take off the body weight. Yep. There you go, a little better. Try to build it in one sequence, okay? Remember, you always want to break it up part by part, making sure to focus on little steps first. So first you focus on where the cane should be and how to press it down. Then you want to focus on bending your knee, striking with your heel, and then your toe comes flat, and that's proper gait mechanics. Right? There you go. So, because the thing is, often we can develop a limp after any kind of surgery or trauma to the leg specifically, and we'll be showing some of that later. We want to make sure that we're walking as normal as possible, trying to normalize our gait, get him back to the life he's used to, get this guy moving again and on his feet. Thanks everyone for watching. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button on this video.